This section will cover aligning and replacing a lock, replacing fasteners for hardware like straps, lock keeper or cable anchor brackets, and checking and replacing rollers and spacer washers. First, inspect the lock. If you see the tip of the lock's lever arm sticking up like this, the lock is probably out of alignment. Check by wiggling the lock lever arm. If it moves like this, it definitely needs adjusting by welding extra metal to the bottom of the pin box. Loose locks allow the door to bounce up and down in transit, knocking years off your door's service life. The lock lever arm should close tight against the pin. It is weighted and balanced, which provides an automatic tightening feature. The lever arm design lets gravity do the job of keeping the door from bouncing down the highway. Examine the lock to see if it is bent or damaged. If it is, replace it. Lock placement is also an important part of maintaining proper door operation. Always check lock placement. The center rivet on the lock back plate should line up with the center line of the lock catch plate or pin. If the points don't line up, you may need to reposition the lock catch plate. The next step is to inspect all fasteners. Tighten or replace loose fasteners on the pull strap, the lift handle, the lock or lock keeper, and the cable anchor brackets. To replace a rivet that is loose on any of these hardware parts, start by drilling the rivet out. Use a drift pin or punch to knock out the loosened rivet. Insert a semi-tubular rivet or a Todco step bolt for the new hardware part and tighten. For instructions on examining rollers and spacer washers, please refer to the Track Troubleshooting section of the Todco Tech inspection portion of this video program. To replace a roller, start by using a 1/4-inch drill and drill out the 4 semi-tubular rivets from the end hinge. Remove the end hinge and roller. Discard the old roller. Put a new roller into the end hinge, and then put the roller and end hinge into place in the track like this. Refasten the end hinge assembly with bolts or semi-tubular rivets. It is important to replace any warning and safety instruction decals that are worn, painted over, or in any state of disrepair. The spring warning decal should be mounted in the center of the inside top panel. The warning and safety instruction decal should be mounted on the roadside exterior of the bottom panel, approximately 12 inches from the center line of the door. When ordering replacement parts or panels, please provide Todco with the serial number of your door. This number is found on the decal attached to the inside right of the door near the top. With this number, Todco can check the records of the original door to ensure you're getting compatible replacement parts. When measuring for a replacement panel, be sure not to include the tongue of the panel. Specify the length, width, and thickness of the panel. We also need to know the panel type: wood, single-wall extruded aluminum, double-wall extruded aluminum, aluminum clad, puller guard, or weather-tight. Finally, please specify whether top, intermediate, or bottom panel is required. For additional assistance when ordering replacement parts, you can access a printable parts list for all Todco doors on our website. If you need to order a whole new door, Todco provides a handy overhead door order form on our website at www.todco.com. In any event, always use genuine Todco replacement parts to ensure the original quality, design integrity, and warranty of your Todco door. We go to great lengths to make components worthy of the name they carry. If you need additional help or information, please visit our website. You can call customer service at the factory or feel free to contact your Todco representative, whose phone number is listed on the website. You'll find your Todco representative knowledgeable and genuinely interested in making sure you get exactly what you need.